any image you want for free for this. Color palettes and expressions. Something like this will normally cost you $120. You can get it for free. For absolute beginners, you don't even need a PC. Outfit swaps as well. You can show you how to do all this stuff. All right, let's get started. I'm using VRChat. It starts off like this. You can grab and drop an image or go to add. It's free, has limited generations. You could do 1 month free and it would do like way more free. And yeah, see, generate an image. So I asked for it, or I can add an image. And this is what I did. If I did harpy feet, I would have did harpy feet, but I didn't. Yeah, all that cool stuff. And down here as well. And remember, something like this where if you hire an artist, it'll cost $120, but I can just do it. Yeah, as far as hiring the resolution, there's a bunch of places that can do that. All right, don't even panic about it. You can ask VRChat where to get it. Remember, link in the description, VRChat. All right, here's X. You can do it on X or Twitter. Go to Grok, for example. And yeah, give an image, blah, blah, blah. Just what I type in. It's up to you if you want to type in. All right. And here's on VRChat. As you can see, this looks really good. And if I go further down, this is what I get. It's finicky of where you can type in. So do 18, say you're doing it for 3D. If it doesn't do it for you, say why you won't do it. Say modest. I like to say the word modest, even though that's debatable if that's modest or not. Yeah. Here's this character, for example, and does it just fine. Also does a swimsuit. Here's this character, for example, and it does that, but that's not perfect. So later on, I tell it to do, symmetrical, but even. No, it's not perfect. And now it's perfect. Also, the cool thing is, you can tell it to put on a sweater. It's just really cool what you can do. Remember, ask the AI if you have problems. And yeah, I'm good to go. And after you know with all that stuff, I also make 3D characters. I'll show you how to make them from scratch for absolute beginners. It is awesome. So get reference art and yeah, just follow along with one of these tutorials. So how to do it. Walking and talking is like the avatar you have now. There's a bunch of different ones. And they also do commissions if you guys are interested. If you need help, leave a comment down below. If you're going to make this into 3D character, make sure everything lines up correctly. And if it doesn't, you can tell the AI that. For example, will the head, the tip of it, flower, underneath the flower, eyebrows where they hit, the eyes where they hit, underneath the eyes, the nose, the mouth of exactly where it is. Just needs to line up correctly for making a 3D character out of it. Above the bra, underneath the bra. This character actually looks pretty dang good. It's not going to be 100% perfect, but AI is getting better and better. The shoes are a little bit off. You could tell the AI to fix it, and a lot of times it will. And we'll see the chain, for example. Look at the chains that matches, the garter matches. This will make a really good 3D model.